Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to be fixing this Honda Civic. We're going to be fixing the door on it, which is apparently jammed and it's not opening from the inside, so it could well be a child lock, but yeah, we're going to get into this. So Moise, what are we doing today?
I don't even know at this point. I came to fix a door, now he's fixing this, so one step at a time.
What's that big gap there?
Okay.
Well,
Yeah.
it should be basically forward. Now we've taken too much off of that.
But basically, guys, what we're fixing is the door. So this door is not opening on the inside, and it's not the child lock, so it could well be the hatch. We're trying to figure out how to take this door card off. Hopefully it won't be too difficult. Thanks.
There you go. We were looking for you the full thing. I was like, where'd he go?
I was trying to open the door. It's so tough, isn't it?
It really is, man, honestly.
I'll lift this up.
What if we don't even need to do that?
And that's gone in, right? If I lift that,
It will come
it
out.
will come out, but I don't want to rip any of the clips.
Alright.
This is solid, isn't it?
Come there, and here, and down to here.
We're butchering this.
Sorted. And then this screw here, we have to take off.
Yeah. Where's that thing? I've got it in hand.
Is it not start? Oh, it's got double.
Yeah.
You know that's from 1990, that screwdriver.
Is it?
Is it?
Or from the 90s. I got off this guy and it's from the original Mark II toolkit. So they give that to you in the toolkit for those cars.
Is that guy from
Greenock.
oh, another guy from
No,
Wales?
I went to Greenock to a breaker and bought some parts from them.
Try getting the dent out first. Right, let's just place this.
Yeah, the dent is to do with that. So this wasn't connected, which was meaning that the door from here was not opening from the inside. So when we move this over to that mechanism, this latch here now the door should work. It's a lot tighter, so as you can see, that's the mechanism now working. Perfect.
Now, for the dent. See, I really hope I can get it off. What is this?
I think they've put that on, by the way.
You don't put your hand in like that?
You know what? Here, look, that's why. That should be padded. This,
Aye.
look at that. There's no padding there. That should have some sort of padding. That's why it's making that all the noise. Yeah.
I think that's why they put this on.
That's what. Yeah.
But I'd be careful this, you don't want that to come off.
Right, hold on to that just now then, right? See if I can show them. See that there?
Yeah.
I can zoom into that. That wee bulge there. That's where the dent is.
That's the dent.
That's the dent, and I think that's what's causing the noise as well. Because if I can get that out,
Yeah.
then it should be straightforward. But how do I get it out? That's the thing. Is there something we can hit it with? Oh, I know.
I don't make another dent.
This guy's going full Jeremy Clarkson with this one.
No.
Oh yeah.
It's like,
You're gonna make a new dent.
from the inside.
You might dent it the other way.
Anything's better than our dent. Well, I've just scratched up the inside is all I've done.
Managed to put the latch back in, but basically we've hooked it up to the door now, and when we were opening it from the inside, it's not opening for some reason, so we may have to take the full door off. We don't know. But yeah, we'll update you guys in the next shop. Moise, want to give us a wee demonstration of the door?
I will do it indeed. I will do it.
Actually, it didn't work.
Oh yes! Yes!
For a second, I was like, it didn't work.
Why did the noise?